Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are dealing with the topic surds and indices. First we will look into some of the many of this you may have studied in your schools and all. Let's just rewind those rules. First one is root A into root is A. Next, A root B is root of A into B. So a square becomes root of a square becomes a. So a root b. Now root of a into root of b is equal to root of ab. Next, a root c plus or minus b root c, we can take the common outside, that is root c. So a plus or minus b into root c. Now we can apply the a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square formula to root of a plus or minus root of b. That is root of a plus or minus root of b the whole square is equal to a plus b plus or minus 2 root ab. Now this next one is a very important formula. That is 1 by root of a minus root of b is equal to root of a plus root of b divided by a minus b. This is a very important shortcut you can use in various problems related to surds and indices. Similarly, 1 by root of a plus root of b is equal to root of a minus root of b divided by a minus b. Now this is an identity related to a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, we can write root of a plus root of b into root of a minus root of b is equal to a minus b. Then a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Then a raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. A raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. And a raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. Next, a raised to 0 equal to 1. A raised to 0 equal to 1 means any number raised to 0 is 2 raised to 0 or 8 raised to 0 or 100 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 raised to the power 0 is 1. Next, nth root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by n. That is fourth root of a can be written as a raised to 1 by 4. Similarly, 10th root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by 10. Next, a into b the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. Next, a by b the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Next, mth root of a the whole raised to m is equal to a. That is, if we are writing fourth root of a the whole raised to 4, then the answer is a itself, because we are finding the fourth root and again multiplying it 4 times, so the answer will be a itself. So any number mth root of a the whole raised to m is equal to a. Next, mth root of ab is equal to mth root of a into mth root of b. These are the common rules related to surds and indices. All these you all have already learned in your school level classes. I just rewinded those rules. Now we can look into some of the questions related to surds and indices. First question is, find the value of 8 cube into 8 square into 8 raised to minus 5. So we have already learned that a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So 8 raised to 3 into 8 raised to 2 into 8 raised to 5 minus 5 can be written as 8 raised to 3 plus 2 into 8 raised to minus 5. That is 8 raised to 5 into 8 raised to minus 5. We can again apply the same rule. So 8 raised to 5 plus minus 5 is 8 raised to 0. So any number raised to 0 is 1. So the answer is 1. Next question is, if 2 raised to x is equal to 128, find the value of x. So given 2 raised to x is equal to 128. What is actually 128? 128 is actually 2 raised to 7. So it's better you learn the powers of 2, that is 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 2 raised to 5 is 32. 2 raised to 6 is 64. 2 raised to 7 is 128. You can study up to 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 8 is equal to 256. 2 raised to 9 is equal to 512. And 2 raised to 10 is equal to 1024. It's better you learn this value so that it becomes easier for if you are dealing with much complicated problems. This if you learn these values, it will become easier. So this is a small problem. So here 128 means it is 2 raised to 7. You can only equate the powers only when the numbers are equal. So now here the numbers are equal, both are 2. Then you can equate the powers. Then so therefore x is equal to 7. So it's very important that the numbers become equal, then only you can equate the power. So we got x is equal to 7. So next question, if x is equal to y raised to a, y is equal to z raised to b, and z is equal to x raised to c, find the value of a, b, c, that is a into b into c. So here it is given x is equal to y raised to a. So what is actually y here? Y it is given as z raised to b. So y is z raised to b and the whole raised to a. So it is z raised to ba. That is a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So z raised to b into a. So we got x is equal to z raised to b into a. But we still cannot equate the powers because the numbers are not equal. You need to get x here. So what is z here? That is x raised to c, the whole raised to ba. That is equal to x raised to a into b into c. So now you can equate the powers because x is equal to x raised to a, b, c. We got it now. So a, b, c is equal to 1. Here x means x raised to 1. So a, b, c equal to 1. Next question. If cube root of 3 raised to m is equal to 81, find the value of m. So cube root of 3 raised to m is equal to 81. Here we can cube both sides so that we can remove this cube root. We already know that root of mth root of a, the whole raised to m is equal to a. So cube root of this number, the whole raised to 3 will be 3 raised to m, which is equal to 81, the whole cube. Now, but we cannot equate the powers now because the numbers are not equal. So we can write 81 cube as 9 square the whole raised to 3. 9 square is 81. So 3 raised to m is equal to 9 raised to 2 into 3 is 6. Still you cannot equate the powers. So we can convert 9 raised to 6 as 3 square the whole raised to 6. That is 3 raised to 12. Now you can compare. There is 3 raised to m is equal to 3 raised to 12. Both the numbers are equal, so you can equate the powers, and now m is equal to 12 is the answer. Next question. If 2 raised to 2x plus 4 is equal to 16 raised to x, find the value of x cube. Here 2 raised to 2x plus 4 is equal to 16 raised to x. If you need to equate the powers, you should make the numbers equal. So what is 16? 16 is actually 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 2x plus 4 is equal to 2 raised to 4 the whole raised to x. Now you can equate the powers because the numbers are equal. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 4 into x is 4x. So for 4 is equal to 2x and x is equal to 2. But we need to find x cube. So x cube is equal to 2 cube, that is 8. So the answer is 8. Next question. If 10 raised to 7.5 into 5 raised to 2.5 into 2 raised to 2.5 is equal to 10 raised to x, we need to find the value of x. So here we know that a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b the whole raised to m. So we can apply this here. That is 10 raised to 7.5. 10 can be written as 5 into 2. That is a like a into b. We can write 5 into 2 whole raised to 7.5 into 5 raised to 2.5 into 2 raised to 2.5 is equal to 10x. 10 raised to x. Now a raised to a into b the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m, that is 5 raised to 7.5 into 2 raised to 7.5 into 5 raised to 2.5 into 2 raised to 2.5 is equal to 10 raised to x. Now we can add this, multiply this 2, that is 5 raised to 7.5 into 5 raised to 2.5 is 5 raised to 7.5 plus 2.5. Similarly, into 2 raised to 7.5 plus 2 raised to 2.5 equal to 10 raised to x. So this is 5 raised to 7.5 plus 2.5 is 10 into 2 raised to 10 equal to 10 raised to x. Now a raised to m into b raised to m. Both the powers are equal, so we can just multiply it. 5 into 2 the whole raised to 10 equal to 10 raised to x. That is 10 raised to 10 is equal to 10 raised to x. Now we can equate the power, so x is equal to 10 is the answer. Next question, find the value of 1 by root of 9 minus root of 8. For such questions, we already know the formula that 1 by root of a minus root of b is equal to root of a plus root of b divided by a minus b. So here 1 by root of 9 minus root of 8 can be written as root of 9 plus root of 8 whole divided by 9 minus 8. Root of 9 is 3 plus root of 8 divided by 9 minus 8 is 1. That is 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. That is 3 plus, so square root of 2 into 2 is 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So 2 into 1 root 2 is remaining. So 2 root 2. So the answer is 3 plus 2 root 2. So for such questions, you need not multiply by the reciprocal and all. You can just apply this formula and find the answer directly. Next question, find the value of root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. So here we can apply this multiplying by the reciprocal. That is, we need to make the denominator 1. So for that, we will need to multiply this number, that is root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 into, we will multiply this number with the reciprocal of this number, that is root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. That is the number with the opposite sign of denominator is what we will multiply with. So this is a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square, sorry, root a plus root b the whole square is equal to a plus b plus 2 root ab divided by, this is root of a minus root of b into root of a plus root of b, that is a minus b. So that is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 1, which is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 is the answer. So for such questions, you need to multiply by the multiply the numerator and denominator by the reciprocal of denominator. Just if here it is minus, then you need to provide plus here, and then just simplify the answer. You will get the answer. Next question, find the value of root 8 plus root 2 the whole square. So this is of the form root a plus root b the whole square, which is equal to a plus b plus 2 root ab. So here root of 8 plus root of 2 the whole square is equal to 8 plus 2 plus 2 into root of 8 into 2, which is equal to 10 plus 2 into root of 16. Root of 16 is 4. So 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 is the answer. Next one, find the value of minus 1 by 125 the whole raised to minus 2 by 3. So you have a negative number as the power. So in order to make it positive, what we will do is we will take the reciprocal of this number, that is minus 125 divided by 1, so that the power becomes positive. So in order to make the negative power to positive, take the reciprocal of the number. So next you can write minus 125 the whole raised to 2 by 3. So any number raised to is, that is a raised to m divided by n, means that nth root of a whole raised to m. So this is what means by a raised to m by n. That is nth root of a, then the whole raised to m. So here there is cube root of minus 125 and then the whole square. So cube root of minus 125 is minus 5 and the whole square means it is, answer is 25. Next question. If 3 raised to x minus y is equal to 27, 3 raised to x plus y is equal to 243, then find the value of x. So given 3 raised to x minus y is equal to 27. So you will need to make this in terms of 3. So 3 raised to x minus y is equal to 3 cube. So now we can equate x minus y is equal to 3. Similarly, 3 raised to x plus y is equal to 243. So 243 is actually 3 raised to 5. So x plus y is equal to 5. So we have two formulas, x minus y equal to 3 and x plus y equal to 2. So we can equate this. X minus y, sorry, x plus y equal to 5. X minus y equal to 3. We can add this equations. We get 2x equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. So the value of x is 4. Next question is, find 256 the whole raised to 0.18 into 256 the whole raised to 0.07. So here it is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 2 raised to 56 whole raised to 0.18 into 256 whole raised to 0.07 is equal to 256 the whole raised to 0.18 plus 0.07. That is 256 the whole raised to 0.25. What is actually 0.25? It is 1 by 4. So 256 the whole raised to 1 by 4. Now fourth root of 256 is 4. So the answer is 4. Next question is, find 512 the whole raised to 1 by 3 minus 125 the whole raised to 1 by 3. So 512 means it is actually a cube. Cube root of 512 is 8. So 8 cube is 512. So 8 cube the whole raised to 1 by 3. Similarly, 125 is actually 5 cube. 5 cube the whole raised to 1 by 3. So 8 cube into 1 by 3 raised to 1 by 3 means 8 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. Similarly, 5 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So 8 raised to 1 minus 5 raised to 1. This is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 is the answer. Next question is, find the value of x plus 2 if x is equal to 5 raised to 4 the whole raised to 1 by 2 plus 8 raised to 1 by 3 the whole raised to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 5 raised to 4 in whole raised to 1 by 2 means 5 raised to 4 into 1 by 2. So 5 raised to 4 into 1 by 2 is 5 raised to 2. That is 5 square. plus 8 raised to 1 by 3 the whole raised to 1 by 3. That is equal to, what is 5 square? It is 25. And cube root, 8 raised to 1 by 3 means cube root of 8. So cube root of 8 is 2 whole raised to 1 by 3. That is 27 raised to 1 by 3. Raised to 1 by 3 means it is cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. So 3 is the answer. Next question is, find root 2 into root of 8 plus root of 18. For such questions, you need to factorize the number. That is root 2 into, what is root of 8? It is actually 4 into 2. That is 2 into 2 into 2 also you can write. So 4 into 2 plus root of 18 means it is 9 into 2. So how can you write this? Root 2 into, root of 4 is 2. So 2 into 2 is remaining. So root 2 plus root of 9 is 3. And again one root 2 is remaining. So 3 root 2. And you can take the root 2 outside in here. Is 2 plus 3. So that is root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 is 5. So 2 into 5 equal to 10 is the answer. So in such questions, you can just factorize. You can actually factorize it as a whole letter. That is by writing 3 into 3 into 2 or 2 into 2 into 2. Or this way also you can write, so it becomes easier. We can go to next question. Next question is, find 3 raised to 2 by 3 into 3 raised to minus 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 raised to minus 1 by 6 into 3 raised to minus 2 by 3. So here it is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n. Here also a raised to m into a raised to n. So in numerator it is 3 raised to 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 raised to minus 1 by 6 plus minus 2 by 3. So numerator it becomes 3 raised to minus 5 by 6 whole divided by 3 raised to 5 by 6. Sorry, minus 5 by 6. So 3 raised to minus 5 by 6 divided by 3 raised to minus 5 by 6. The answer is 1. So this is similar questions we dealt with earlier. That is with the root 18 and all we did a question. This question is similar to that one. Find root of 24 plus root of 216 divided by root of 96. So we can write root of 24 as root of 6 into 4 plus 216 is actually 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 96. You can write it as 48 into 2. 48 is 8 into 6. So here root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 6 plus 6 cube means square root of 6 into 6 is 6. And we have 1 6 remaining. That is 6 root 6 divided by 4 root 6. So 2 root 6 plus 6 root 6 is 8 root 6 divided by 4 root 6. So root 6 and root 6 got cancelled. 8 divided by 4 is 2 is the answer. Next question. Find the value of 27 raised to minus 2 by 3 whole raised to 1 by 2. So in order to remove the negative sign of the power, we will take the reciprocal. So 1 by 27 the whole raised to 2 by 3 the whole raised to 1 by 2. So 2 by 3 means cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. So 1 by 3 the whole square whole raised to 1 by 2. Now a raised to m in the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. So the answer is 1 by 3 the whole raised to 1. That is 1 by 3 is the answer. Next question is, if root 3 is equal to 1.732, then find 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. So for such questions, you will need to multiply that number 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 into, here it is negative, so positive 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. So a plus b, the whole square is 4 plus 3 plus 2ab, 4 root 3 whole divided by 4 minus 3. So 7 plus 4 root 3. So, but you have the value of root 3 given, so you will need to substitute that value here. Instead of 3, 1.732. It is 7 plus 6.928 equal to 13.928 is the answer. Next question I am giving you as a practice. Please solve this and comment your answers. So question is, find 16 raised to 1 by 2 into 64 raised to 1 by 3 whole divided by 8 raised to 1 by 3 into 16 raised to 1 by 2. So comment your answer and check your practice and progress. I hope you liked this session. Please comment your reviews. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.